Well, today I'm about ready to go and ride in this one. Ride and or drive and or both with that guy there who's well, he's that's him there. Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna go riding. Hopefully I get you some video of this because I don't know how much jumping around it's gonna be doing, but we'll see. I'll get you some kind of video, show you where we're going. I'll do it while I'm driving. Yeah, we don't know these roads very well, so we're gonna kind of take it easy. Probably should have both hands on the wheel, shouldn't I? Might be advisable. At least the vibration thing is pretty decent in this, on this camera. Pretty decent, not perfect. Cool, beautiful views. Great place to ride. Ooh, another little nice place. This is Lake Havasu here. Just staring across the water here. Yeah, as you can tell by the noise, we're still in the side by side. Beautiful though. Nice. So today we're kind of walking around here. We are at the one of the Apache Helicopters here in Hawaii. There's a good buddy of my friend, my son's, that is a pilot for here. Got his training down at Fort Rucker, Alabama, but he pilots this one here. He's giving us a guided tour. We asked him about pictures and video. He's like, yeah, he says it's all online, so pictures and videos are fine. So, oh, take a look at it. Maybe get you a shot of inside the cockpit. That'd be kind of cool.
The flight lines is these both have a URX. The ones with the flight lines you see with the donut at the top, that is an FCO. And what's on top, the helicopters are all identical.
Nice. Getting a front tour of Apache. That's my cousin. Cousin John. My cousin. He's not my cousin. Good friend of mine from John.
This is so good. Thank you so much. Cut up to your head and try to get a feel for what that's like.
Wow, this is awesome.
Can I take the glasses? Oh, you're just looking at it like that?
Yeah. So you're not going to have any symbology or anything.
This is cool.
The aircraft's not on.
Private tour.
But
The Apache. Pretty sweet.
So you use rockets there right here, huh?
Yeah, Hellfire rockets. Yeah, they load up 4 of them on there.
How many rockets will this thing hold?
Well, how many rockets does it hold?
I think it's 4 on that side, 4 on the other.
those are 19-shot rocket pods.
19 shot.
And there's two of them on each side.
Cool. Nice adventure.
Primarily,
Oh, I'm inside now.
designates target. Front's the gunner, right?
Cool stuff. Nothing's turned on, so you can't tell what anything belongs to. This is cool.
Yeah, and then we have the screen over here, which I can probably go and take off.
Who's the person
Wow.
actually flying the plane and the
Horsepower.
1,500 pounds of horsepower.
having to work on that? Good Lord.
Nice. There's always all kinds of entertainment here at Waikiki Beach. This is just like the rest of them. There's all kinds of it here. Always something to see and do. This is Friday about 6:30 p.m.
So I made up my mind that I'd strike the fly with the only girl that I would adore. Well, I love my pretty little Holly Hula girl with her naughty little wiggle. Hula girl, she can truly make you giggle. Hula girl with her naughty little Opie someday. I'm gonna make this little Holly girlie of mine, girlie of mine.
Hard not to find a good time here in Hawaii. It's in Oahu, Waikiki Beach.
I wonder where my little Hula girl is gone. She's no longer on the beach at Waikiki.
I don't know where this is located.
I'd go to the sands and watch her she rides along.
Lots of shops, places to shop.
Search for her as far
All of
as
it
I
go
could
upstairs.
see. She flew to the east and she flew to the west. Oh, I'll get no rest until I find her back in my shack. Hey, I wonder where.
7 days a week, a show like this is going on.
She's no longer on the beach at
Good times. Little while you're still young,
We should be
here too.
together.
Always a great show, 7 days a week. You get something like this. This is actually Friday about 7:30. So much fun. As I always say, you should be here too. At least once a year, come visit. Nothing like street performers, I tell you. They got them here in Vegas, and they also got them here in Waikiki Beach.
No, you're gonna dig this.
Love street performers. Yeah! Oh yeah! Don't mind tipping these guys. Waikiki Beach. Yep. It's all that. This camera does not do it justice, I assure you. I'm trying to get it better. It just doesn't. It's much more pretty than this. That's a little better. That's what it looks like. It's cool and you should be here too. Maybe. Yeah. You should be here too. Think about taking a nap. I guess there's worse places that take a nap than Waikiki Beach. Yeah, there's a lot of worse places that could take a nap, that's for sure. And you know, you should be here too.